So a couple days ago, I was driving. It sounded like and felt like I hit something while I was driving, but something flew into me. I didn't actually just hit something, it flew into me. So yesterday, I decided to actually look and see what it was that I hit or that flew into my car. And what I found was that unfortunately it looked like it was maybe a bird. My sister had the bright idea for us to try and get this thing out by ourselves. What is wrong with her? It smells like death.
Don't tell me you hit a dragonfly too. I know I've seen a butterfly in that. What the is going on here? That is so. Oh, we forgot the dragonfly too. Let me see if I can find him.
I see it.
I don't.
Oh my God.
Is it big?
Oh.
Nobody ever been fishing like this.
Oh my God.
This is crazy.
This is where you guys come in now.
Oh, why are you running? Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute.
Put a mask on!
I don't have one. I didn't even get this thing. No, Gavin, I didn't hit this little screw. I'm not playing over. Didn't even go play it this way. What I have to fling it. No, come on, you get on this side. You get on this side. So fling it out. I have to. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh, it was a baby.
Is he paralyzed?
He's moving, look. His wing is moving up and down like he's breathing.
Put that yard away so I can go home.
After all that, we got the bird out.
That bird was still alive.
It was still slightly alive.
That was alive.
But we got the bird out.